Welcome back. We did have a very brief light shower that did pass over Fargo-Moorhead, and there is some light showers to just some light sprinkles that continue mainly along and south of I-94 right now. They're right around Wapton and then around the Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls, but these will quickly begin to disintegrate as we go throughout the rest of this evening as these do continue to work their way towards the south and east. Nonetheless, just enough to at least turn the windshield wipers on for a brief period if a shower does pass over you. Let's take a look at the trick-or-treat forecast, though. Trick-or-treat questions. Do you need the jacket? Yes, you will need the jacket underneath of those costumes and long-sleeve shirts. Good news, though, for this Halloween, you do not need to grab the umbrella. And I think many of the trick-or-treaters out there are wondering, is their candy bucket going to be full? And I think it will be, with rather calm conditions expected for this year's Halloween forecast. As we go throughout Futurecast, the rest of this evening going right on into a Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday at 7 a.m. Most of the area is dry. Futurecast is trying to put in some light flurries to light showers around the James River Valley. I don't think this will likely happen. There could be an isolated sprinkle to an isolated flurry mixing in across western North Dakota, but Grand Forks, Fargo-Moorhead, all of Lakes Country will remain dry for the Halloween forecast here, and we'll have a mix of clouds and sun throughout the day. And as many of those trick-or-treaters are heading out Wednesday at 5 p.m., expect rather dry conditions for those trick-or-treaters. And again, we will be under clouds and sun mix at times. And eventually, as we get into a sunset, we'll see partly cloudy skies out there with temperatures likely falling down into the 30s. So make sure those trick-or-treaters do stay warm underneath of those costumes all throughout the evening. Taking a look at the wind trend for Halloween, much of the wind speeds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, with winds out of the west and northwest all throughout the day. But by the time those trick-or-treaters do head out around 5 and 7 p.m., we'll begin to see those winds winding down across the area. Forecast for Halloween morning, though, many of us waking up to temperatures right around freezing, anywhere from 30 to 32 degrees. The afternoon highs for Halloween, most of us getting up into those lower to middle 40s, could see a few upper 30s right along the international border. And moving on into the evening forecast for those trick-or-treaters. Again, it will be a cold but dry Halloween forecast with those winds diminishing as we go throughout the evening. And again, those temperatures likely hanging out into the 30s for much of that trick-or-treat forecast. Well, after Halloween, we are going to see changes to our weather forecast. We are tracking rain and snow mix late Thursday, and also again as we head on into the start of the weekend. And this system, well, it will bring an end to our sunshine. We'll have a few peaks of sun heading our way for tomorrow. And then after that, say goodbye to the sun as clouds that will move on in. And also say goodbye to the 50s that we've seen this week, and maybe even the 40s as well for much of the ongoing forecast. Going through Futurecast, this is for Thursday now. After tomorrow, we'll see clouds on the increase for Thursday. By Thursday around noon, we'll see a few widely scattered showers out across to western North Dakota. And this system will gradually work its way towards Grand Forks, Fargo-Moorhead, and Lakes Country by the time we get into a late Thursday afternoon and into a Thursday evening. And we could even see a few flurries mixing in at times across portions of the valley, northwestern Minnesota, Thursday night to right on into Friday morning. Taking a look at that 7-day forecast now, 39 on Friday, mostly cloudy. Another chance of a rain and light snow mix heading our way for Saturday, 37 degrees. We still remain cloudy, though, for this upcoming week. And Sunday, again, daylight saving time does come to an end at 2 a.m. Make sure to turn those clocks back 1 hour. And I know many already looking at Tuesday next week as it is the day to vote. Next Tuesday, right now, things are looking cloudy and chilly with highs only in the lower 30s.
Trick-or-treaters just dodging that rain by one day.
Yeah, trick-or-treaters are really dodging it this year.
All right, thanks so much, Andrew. When WDOI News comes back.